Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making chicken sandwiches rolls. It is very easy recipe, very yummy recipe. Inshallah you will like it. Before starting the video, I request you to please like, share and subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. So let's show you how we made this recipe. I hope you will like it. First of all, we will take a bowl and in that we will add 2 cups all-purpose flour. Then we will add 1 tablespoon yeast. In that we will add 3 tablespoon milk powder. These are all the dry ingredients. We will add now 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon sugar. And after adding the sugar, we will start mixing it well with the help of a whisker. Make sure it is mixed properly. Now we'll add lukewarm milk and we'll prepare the dough. You can prepare with hand or with the whisker. So after preparing the dough properly, we will add 1 tablespoon oil and then again we will knead it. You can see it is prepared properly. Now we will grease it with the oil and we will cover it with plastic paper or some plate for 2 hours. Now after 2 hours we have taken out the dough and now like this we will roll it and we will take half of the dough only. Now here we will make small roll bread type with the help of the rolling pin. We will make it bigger. So we will make it around this much size. It should be round shape. Now here in a fry pan we added some oil and now we will add 2 medium sized potatoes which are thinly sliced and we'll fry them. Then we will add 1 teaspoon salt and we will mix it well. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Then we will add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Afterwards we will add 1/4 cup green peas into this and we will mix it well. So now after mixing, we will add 100 gram green, red and yellow capsicum which are sliced. Now we will mix it all again. Then we will take it out in a dish. Now we will add in the same frying pan 200 gram minced chicken and we will fry it till its color starts to change. Now you can see its color has started to change. We will add half teaspoon red chili powder into this. After that we will add half teaspoon paprika powder. Now we will add half teaspoon salt. After that we will add half teaspoon cumin powder. Now we will add 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Now we will add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Now after adding all of these things, we will start mixing it. Now you can see the color has also changed. Now we will add 1 small sized onion which is sliced. And again we will mix it and we will fry it till the onion color changes. Now we will add the prepared vegetables into this only. Now after adding this and frying it, we will add half cup green coriander which is fresh green coriander. Now we will cover and cook it for 3 minutes. Then we can take it out. Now in the bread or the dough which we had made, we will add the prepared chicken and vegetables in it. You can add as much as you like at a side. Now we will show you how to fold it. First of all, we will grease the edges with water. Now we will close it like this from the front down, left and right, all the sides. In some of these we will add cheese slices also. We have taken a deep frying pan. In that we will add half cup oil, and now we will add all the prepared sandwiches. Now we will fry them till their color turns into golden brown. Now after the color started changing, we have taken them out in a dish. Like this, slowly we will add all the prepared sandwiches. Now my brother Mr. Azan will check and tell you how are these, whether they are good or not.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, it's very tasty. Thank you.